And of course, if we do have, this is the purity 20 not. So if we're going to open this one, this would be ito yung itsura niya guys. Naka-bag siya guys. Tuloy natin ito. Isang ganito na part, lalagay po natin ng ganito. And if ever na meron pa tayong isang part nandito, dito, pag may nakita kang ganito, pasok nyo lang yung dito. Yung isa naman, pag may filter kayo ng ganito, lalagay nyo. And, disclaimer lang guys, so if ever na gusto nyo gamitin this, itong sanction, yung nasa dulo ng filter po natin, pwede po natin siya ng palitan ng screen mesh. Available po yan siya sa shop. Okay? Yeah, sa shop ko guys, sa Aqua Eden, so you can check on it guys. So pwede na siyang palitan dito. Papasok niya lang dito yung screen mesh. So anong purpose? And the next na gagawin po natin is yan, lalagay po natin ito guys. Okay. And then pwede natin siyang ilagay dito. Okay. Yan. Okay. Ganyan. So kung saan naka-indicate if the filters indicate on that level, so that's the only water that you need to fill up, okay? To fill in. So that would be it. And then next things out is you need to plug the filter. Let me see if my extension can reach my so you see guys, nag-flow na siya. Alright, so that would be it.